Here I have Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset operation on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press and hold power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after about 5 seconds your device will be forcefully restarted, and that's how it's done, basically. Okay, so it will be forcefully turned off, and then to turn it back on you just hold down power key once again, and then your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.